Current events class, good morning. Happy Wednesday. Today is March 25. Today we're going to continue talking about gathering reliable information from multiple sources. Finish what we started yesterday. Plan for today. First, some reminders. Just to keep checking your email, keep checking Google Classroom comments, keep checking PowerSchool. And once again, don't be afraid to reach out to ask questions, share concerns. If something's going on that doesn't make sense, please let me know. That way I can help you. For example, yesterday I accidentally put the assignment in as 10 points instead of 5, and I had 3 students in the matter of the first 10 minutes when I posted it all email me saying that I made a mistake. So thank you for that. That's really the only form of communication we have right now, so I appreciate your willingness to do so. First thing I need you to do, there's just 2 things. If you see this kind of word cloud picture, this is a compilation of all of the sources where you guys get your news. I asked you guys to write down some examples of where you get information from, and I got answers ranging from CNN, CNN 10, to parents, to friends, to a lot of social media answers like Twitter and Snapchat, YouTube, etc. Just take a second to look through that. These are all the different places where we get our information from. Now what we got to figure out is what's the responsible way to get all that information. Are these the right sources? When we do get information, how do we evaluate it to see if it's reliable or not? How do we share this information? That's where we're going to next. But I'd like you to do, this will take you 2 minutes at the most, unless you fall asleep. Fill out a quick survey. It is 11 questions. All the questions are simply, do you agree or disagree, based on a scale of 1 to 10. So there's 11 different ones. If you do this by 3 p.m. today, I will give you 5 points as a classwork grade, just for doing it. There's no right or wrong answer. The only right answer is an honest one. The only wrong one is one that's dishonest. So make sure you fill out that survey. Shouldn't take you long. That's worth 5 points. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Then the last thing, you started this yesterday. I need you to finish this by today, 3 p.m. You need to find 10 different articles. It could be videos. It could be like a news source article. It could be a podcast. It could be anything like that. Find 10 different ones. Make sure they are all from reliable sources, but make sure they are diverse. Also make sure it's comprehensive, that we are talking about this COVID-19 coronavirus issue from all angles. It's comprehensive. What you need to do is cite, just copy paste the link to the source itself, summarize the basic ideas of the source and what it says about COVID-19, and then justify why did you choose this source. And I do want you to take your time to think about the sources you're choosing. Are you choosing it just because that was the first thing that popped up on Google? If that's the case, maybe reconsider whether or not that's an actual source you want to have. Because later, don't do this yet, but later, you're going to be answering this research-based question whether we should shut down school for the rest of the year. That's something you're going to be answering in more detail later, and you'll be able to use these sources to help you answer it. That does not mean that every source has to focus specifically on how this virus affects schools, but some of them probably should, and you definitely will be able to find various sources that talk about it. You may work with a group for this. No, groups cannot be more than 3. A couple people asked if you can work by yourself. That's totally fine too. You don't have to work with a group. It's just an option if you want to. But don't forget that each person should be turning this in individually, even if you did collaborate, work with other people. Let me know if you have questions. Finish the survey. Finish this anthology. Be safe, be healthy. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.